In previous video, we have discussed about value added method, and this video is all about income method, and income method gives the national income in term of net domestic productivity at factor cost. This is the only method which is giving the national income in term of factor cost. Okay, that's why this method is also known as factor income method. Why do this method is known as factor income method? So the answer is, as in this method we are taking compensation which is paying to employees in term of income or in term of their factor, in return of their factor services which they are providing. Okay, whatever the services are hired in producing sector and whatever the payment made to them, that is called factor payment. That's why this method is known as income method or factor payment method or factor income method. And income method gives the national income in term of NDP at FC. NDP FC. What is the full form of NDP FC? Again and again I am telling you, NDP, net domestic product at factor cost. Okay, this is the only method which is giving directly the income in term of factor cost. The formula to calculate NDP at FC by using income method, it is compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. Okay, this is all kind of factor payments which individuals are receiving for providing their services. Compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. Okay, compensation of employees are also including so many types. Compensation of employees, it is equals to wages and salary. Wages and salary in cash and kind. What is the meaning of kind? In cash, it means you are understood that if a person is getting salary 20,000 in cash, okay, or 10,000 for house accommodation and for food, then 10,000, okay, that is in kind. Any kind of accommodation or other kind of facilities which are paying not in term of money but in term of other kind, that is called salary and wages in kind. Okay, so compensation of employees equals to wages and salaries in cash and kind. Second item in compensation, it is social security contribution by employer. Okay, this is a part of income which is paid by employer on the behalf of employee. For example, you can take provident fund. A ratio of provident fund which is paid by employer on the behalf of a particular employee, that is called social security contribution. In short, you can say SSC by employer, not by employee. In the question sometime SSC by employee is also given. Okay, but we are not taking that. We have to take only that type of contribution which is made by employer. Okay, next term. Other than wages and salary, other than social security contribution, one more term is there, that is pension. Pension on retirement. It is pension or retirement. It is a part of service contract. Okay, it refers to pension payment which will paid after the services. This is called pension on retirement. And compensation of employees, once again I am telling you, compensation of employees, it is having wages and salaries, social security contribution and pension. Wages and salary in cash and kind both. Okay, now the next term is operating surplus. Operating surplus refers to rent, interest and profit. Okay, if factor services are providing in term of building, in term of land, in term of capital, in terms of entrepreneurship, in that case the factor payment will be made in these terms. That is rent for building or for land, interest for capital, and profit for entrepreneurship. All these items are a part of operating surplus. Okay? Operating surplus include rent, interest, and profit. And profit is also divided in few terms. First one, dividend. Second is profit tax or corporate tax. Profit tax or corporate tax are similar type. And the third one is undistributed profit of sole entrepreneur. Okay, this is all about operating surplus. Operating surplus equals to rent plus interest plus profit, and profit include dividend. Dividend, it is a share of profit which is distributed to shareholders. Okay, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि दिया ही जाए, it depends on entrepreneur कि वो देना चाहते हैं या नहीं. Dividend, other than dividend, profit tax or corporate tax, it is a tax which a person is paying on his profit other than undistributed profit of entrepreneurs, sole entrepreneurs का undistributed profit. It is all these values are part of profit, and profit, interest, and rent are part of operating surplus. The next or third item is mixed income. Mixed income refers to income of self-employed people. Okay, income of self-employed people. What is it? Income of self-employed people means we can take any example like that. Mixed income refers to income of self-employed people using their own labor, using their own land, their capital, and their entrepreneurship to produce goods and services. These income are a mixture of wages, rent, interest, and profit, all other. For example, only self-owned factors are used in household enterprises और स्मॉल एंटरप्राइजेस रन बाय हाउस होल्ड. ओके, हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर पर जितना भी जो काम किया जाता है जिसमें हमारा ही लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल सब कुछ हम ही हैं, एंड वी आर नॉट हायरिंग एनी अदर पीपल इन अवर वर्क. जैसे कोई एक इंडिविजुअल लेडी अगर अपने घर पर टेलरिंग का काम करती है एंड बाय टेलरिंग शी इज अर्निंग सम मनी, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड मिक्स्ड इनकम ऑफ सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड लेडी. ओके,